Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. The other day, somebody asked me, I have no way to reply to them. For some reason on my videos, I can reply to some people and I can't reply to other people. But I just made this box. I made it poke or dotted so we could kind of tell it. I'm going to change that. Let me make the lines a little bit better. And let's say if we look at this box, the center of this box is at 6.508 negative 9.37 or 367. If he had a lot of things to do and he want to automatically put a circle in that box, well, one, you could get it close and it might even center, but a lot of times it actually does. But if you had a lot of different shapes that, let's say something that's non-centerable, let's just make this shape right here. And so now it's basically a non-centerable item. But you could type in that number. Let's go with 6.508 and a negative 99.367. And it put it in that box. Well, there's a hotkey for that we can make. So let's just take this out of the way. And let's go up to Tools and Scripts. Yours might say Macros. Start recording. And I'm going to take it back. I'm going to not select that first. I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts. I don't want to have it selected. Start recording. I'm just going to type PM for placement. Then take your item and type in these numbers. 6.508, negative 9.367, and then hit enter. And if you notice, I have my center justified. That's all we have to do. Go to Scripts, stop recording. Now let's take this out of the way. And let's open up Scripts, Tools, Scripts, and Scripts, or yours might say Macros, and go right here to PM and double click on it and put it on there. So what's neat about this, we can make a hotkey. We've got it selected. I'm going to right click and hit assign hotkey. And I'm going to call it, and see, there's the recorded macro. Let's go Control P. Nothing is assigned. So, alternate P for placement, and go OK, and then say OK. Now watch what happens when I hit this. I'm going to go alternate P, and it put it in that spot. Now he doesn't have to have these lines there, just to tell it. But if he wants it in that spot, alternate P, and it's going to put it there automatically every time. So if he had pages and pages and stuff to do, and I like to test to make sure it's still working, alternate P, and it put it in that spot. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. I hope he gets to see this video. I'm still kind of questioning why I can't reply to some people. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.